In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variants on Printify. Variants are a fantastic way to offer different options for the same product, ensuring that customers can find exactly what they're looking for. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First things first, to get started, you'll need to log into your Printify account. Once you're in, you'll see the dashboard where all your products are displayed. If you already have a product created that you want to add variants to, go ahead and find it in your product list. If you don't have a product made yet, you can easily create one by clicking on the Add Product button. Now let's say we're adding some variants to a t-shirt. After selecting your t-shirt, you'll be taken to the editing page. Here is where the fun begins. On this page, you'll notice a section labeled Variants. This is where we can customize our options like size, color, and any other features that might be available depending on the product you've chosen. To add variants, look for a button that says Add Variant. This will usually show up beneath the current options you have. Click on it, and you'll be prompted with a few different configurations based on what your product is. For instance, if you're working on a t-shirt, you might see options like size. You can choose from different measurements like small, medium, large, and extra large. Once you've selected your sizes, don't forget to consider color options. Colors are a great way to attract different customer preferences. On the same page, you should see another option that allows you to add color variants. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will typically appear, showing you all the colors available for that specific product. You can select as many colors and sizes as you want, but be mindful of how this might affect your inventory and shipping times. If you are planning to have a broad selection, make sure you're ready to handle the logistics. After you've selected all the variants, it's a good idea to review them. Look for the Preview section on the page. This will show you how each variant will look visually. Take a moment to check that you're happy with the selections you've made. This is your chance to really position your product effectively for your audience. Additionally, you might want to set different pricing for each variant. For example, if you're offering a larger size that may cost more to produce, you can adjust the price accordingly. To do this, find the pricing section, and you can go in and customize the price for each size and color variant. Don't forget to add any relevant descriptions for your different variants. Sometimes a particular color might have a seasonal appeal or come with a special note. This is your chance to connect with your customers by explaining what makes these options unique. Once everything looks good, you'll want to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom or top of the page and click it. You should then see a confirmation that your variants have been successfully added. Now, it's a good practice to test the entire purchasing process. If you have an online store connected with Printify, go to your site and try out purchasing a product with the different variants. This gives you a chance to ensure everything works smoothly and that the customers will have a seamless experience. That's it for today's tutorial. You now know how to add variants on Printify, making your products more appealing and customizable for your customers. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a thumbs up. It encourages me to create more useful content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.